5 materials that can add 50 plus years sa property mo. First, reinforced concrete with waterproofing additive. Ipigilan nito ang moisture na pumapasok sa concrete para maiwasan ang kalawang ng bakal at structural damage. Second, fiber cement boards instead of gypsum. Hindi ito tinatablan ng anay at hindi nagwa-warp kahit mataas ang humidity. Third, stone-coated metal roofing. Magaan pero interlocking, kaya mas mahirap tangayin ng malakas na hangin at bagyo. And fourth, homogeneous porcelain tiles. Unlike ceramic, buo ang kulay hanggang loob, kaya kahit magasgas o mabasag, hindi halata. And fifth, WPC exterior cladding. Mukhang kahoy pero hindi nabubulok at hindi kumukupa sa araw. Because smart properties are not just beautiful, they're built to last decades with minimal maintenance. For more smart property design, follow architect Brendan and Rufo.